charge increases, the charge, that is the positive charge in the nucleus, as it increases, it will be able to, greater the nuclear charge, greater is the electron affinity. The nuclear charge, that is the positive charge in the nucleus, increases, and the ability to attract the electron also increases. So nuclear charge increases, electron affinity will increase. Nuclear pull increases, and electron affinity also. Therefore, electron affinity increases. Now what happens, what is the trend? The unit is same as ionization potential. That is electron volt per atom, or in the SI unit, it is kilojoules per mole. Now the trend, this, across the period and down a group. Across a period, trend. As you move across a period, what happens? Across a period, when you're moving across a period, you see, across a period, you're moving, and this is the atomic radii. What happens to the atomic radii? Atomic radii keeps on decreasing, because nuclear charge becomes more. As you're moving, the magnitude of nuclear charge increases, atomic radii decreases. So if the atomic radii is decreasing, then electron affinity will be more, because nucleus will be, the last shell will be closer to the nucleus, and as a result, the nucleus will be able to pull the electrons with greater strength. So electron affinity will increase. Across a period, electron affinity will increase. And down a group, so across a period, electron affinity increases. Now what happens down a group? Down. Remember, the smaller the size of the atom, more is the electron affinity. More tendency the nucleus will have to pull the electron towards itself. It will very easily accept the electron. When we are talking about pull, it is the nuclear pull, because the nucleus is the positive charge. It is pulling the negatively charged electron in its last shell. That is the valence shell. Now down a group, what happens? The atomic size increases. Cesium being the largest atom. So as the atomic size increases, what happens to the electron affinity? It will decrease. Atomic size will increase. The nuclear pull will become less. See, two things happen actually. See, if I draw the atomic atom over here, see, 1, 2, this is the nearest shell. So nuclear pull will be very high. But if the size of the atom is big, like suppose let us draw some more shells, then what happens is that this valence electron, the nucleus is not able to pull another extra electron into the valence shell. There is a shielding effect of these, screening effect of these shells also. More and more shells are added, a sort of barrier is added. So the nuclear pull is not so effective. Nucleus becomes weak. Nucleus is not able to pull. The electron does not feel the same attraction. So as the down a group, size increases. Atomic size increases, the atomic radii increases, and the electron affinity decreases. Electron affinity decreases. What is the other factor?